So today we're going to continue simplifying logs. What does the log addition rule say to do?
So if you subtract, that
Multiply. I said addition. Okay, so if we have a log of, we could say a x plus log of a y, what is it going to be?
Multiplication.
Log of a x times y. Okay, if we have log of a x minus log of a to the y, what is it going to be?
Division.
Division. You guys have to have these memorized. I'm going to ask you them on a quiz, so you need to make sure that you can write the verbiage out like this. X divided by y. Okay, and then what's the log rule if there's a number up front?
You just take it to the
A log A.
It'll be log a
M K.
m to the k power. Okay, you have to have these memorized. You have to. Okay, I'm going to ask you what's the log rules on your test. You should be able to write them out yourself. Okay, so don't worry about doing the worksheet. I know, I can see some of you guys are about halfway done already. You have to have this memorized. Do not put your phone up. Okay?
X plus B what?
And if you really think about it, like it's not too much memorized.
Wait, okay, so the first one, it says log A X plus what?
Log A of what? Okay, and a bunch of you guys got quite a few wrong yesterday. I don't know, you need to slow down. I don't know what you were doing with your life. But some of you guys, it was supposed to be multiplication and you're doing division, and it's supposed to be division and you're doing multiplication. Make sure that they're matching up right. Okay, so we're going to condense these into a single log. So we got a number up front, so that needs to go to the A power. This needs to go to the B power. So it's really going to be log
4A24 minus log 4B4.
Okay, so all we did was move all the numbers up front. Okay, and now we know that we did rule 3. That's what we just did. Okay, now we're going to do rule what?
2.
Rule 2, because we got this minus sign. So it's going to say log
Log 4
over
B4.
A24 over B20 over B4. Sorry. Okay, so you take the whatever's here and whatever's here and you put them over each other. Okay, you can skip this step if you want to. Okay, I don't necessarily suggest it, but you totally can. Okay, and how you could skip the steps? You know this is going to be division or multiplication?
Division.
It's going to be division. So you know you're going to have log of 9, and you're going to have the division symbol. What's going to go on top?
X16.
X16. What's going to go on bottom?
Y4.
Y4. Okay, so we didn't write it all the way out like that, and that's totally okay. Okay, but take your time. Make sure that you do the division or the multiplication symbol. Okay, this one is going to be division or multiplication. You sure?
Yes.
Okay, log 3. We know it's going to be division. What's going to go on top?
X3.
X3. What's going to go on bottom? Y5. Okay, 7. Is that addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Addition. So is it going to be multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
It's going to be multiplication. So you're going to get log of what? 7.
A6 and
A to the 6th.
and
B to the 4th. Nine. It's going to be multiplication and log 2.
Is it 11 to the 20th power
11 to the 20th power.
and 10 to the 4th power?
10 to the 4th power. I don't know, some of you guys did this, quite a few, I would say out of this room, 10. 10 of you guys kept doing this. Why? I don't, there should be no plus sign there. Okay, and I would have to assume it's those of you guys that were not staying with me. So if you're not working with me right now, then you are probably who I'm talking to. Okay, I don't know where you got a plus sign from. There's no plus sign in there. Okay, that's not a thing. Okay, flip it over. Okay, is this going to be division or multiplication?
Division.
Division. So you're going to say log 6,
X to the fifth power.
x to the 5,
And Y to the 30th.
y to the 30th. Okay, 13. It's going to be division or multiplication?
Division.
Division. Log 4,
A to the 12, B to the 4.
a to the 12, b to the 4. Okay, is this going to be division or multiplication?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Our log 9. What's going to be our first one, Ruby?
It's gonna be just 7
7
times
times, either do the dot or do the time sign, because you guys are going to get mixed up. 12,
times 11 to the second.
11 to the second power.
Did I do that right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, 17, you're going to get log 7. Division or multiplication?
Division.
Division. What are you going to get on top?
10 to the third power.
10 to the third power.
Over 11 to the fourth power.
11 to the fourth power.
What happens if there's not a number next to the log? Like the 7, number 17.
There is a number next to the log.
But like what happens if there's not a
Where?
Next to log.
This?
Yeah.
If there's no number next to the log, what is it?
10.
10. Okay. We talked about that yesterday. Thanks.
Miss Henning?
Hold on. Okay, so 19, you're gonna get multiplication or division?
It's a multiplication.
It's gonna be multiplication. So you're gonna get log of 7. What's the first one gonna be?
X.
It's just x. There's no number to move up.
Times
So it's just
y.
x.
Times z to the second, to the sixth power.
If it is a 10, the log, do you have to put the 10 or not? No.
No.
Can you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So if there's no little number with the log, the base, okay, it's given that it's a 10. Okay. You guys got 10 of them to do. Go through, get them done, and then put your paper in the box back there.